Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This one's about the summer school that I did in the summer. I did it with NTU Progression, which is like a scheme that's part of Nottingham Trent University, and you get a card that's like this. You can use that to get into Nottingham Trent Library and to the gym as well. That's what you get when you join and sign up for NTU Progression. Yeah, so basically what NTU Progression is all about is they help you with trying to get into university. They do like sessions throughout the academic year on like growth mindset, how to write personal statements, just things that will help shape you to be a good candidate for university. Even if you don't want to go to university, they help you with if you're trying to get into a higher apprenticeship or if you're trying to get into work. So it's really great. So after all the sessions throughout the year, we did a summer school at Nottingham Trent Clifton campus. That was great. The campus is so big and it's so nice. I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, we got to stay there for like 3 nights. I'm just going to tell you guys all about that. Personally, I enjoyed it, and I think anyone who gets the opportunity to do something like this should definitely take it up. But on the first day, we was meant to get there at 9:30, dropped off our bags, and straight away we got in. Patrice was telling us about what we were going to be doing for the next couple of days, and it was a mix between like fun stuff and academia, so like how to reference and how to make academic posters. After all of that, we got taken to our rooms in flats, so we'd be sharing with 5 other people, but we'd have our own rooms and like our own toilet and our own little bed, our own little desk. We'd have to share the kitchen, and yeah, it was really nice because I got to make loads of new friends. After we got all settled in, we had pizza and a quiz, which is right up my alley. Kind of got to talk to other people who were on progression as well. And after bowling, we just went back and a couple of hours spare time, but then we all had to go to bed. I think day 2 was one of the busiest days. It was one of the busiest days, but the most fun days, because we did so much and it was great. Everyone was on a specific strand. I was on the humanities strand. We went to the archives and our main focus was history, and we went to the archive. We had talks from one of the lecturers from Nottingham Trent University, which is one thing I thought was really cool, that we got to sit in a lecture given by one of the real lecturers from Nottingham Trent. She was just giving us help into how we can go about doing our essays and our academic posters, because we had to complete an essay and an academic poster within your group. That's what the lectures were about. After all the hard work, we went to Cosmos, which was great, and Adventure Golf. Day 3 was more of everything that we'd learned from our talks about referencing, about how to make academic posters, and then from our subject talks. So like for me, it was history, and we had to take all of that information and turn it into an essay, and then also meet up with our group to do the academic posters. I remember, I think I went off and did my part because I have really bad time management skills. So most of that day was spent finishing off our posters in our group, doing our essays, because we had deadlines for that, because at uni you have deadlines. So then after we did our essays, we had a barbecue, had loads of food. One thing that Patrice did not fail to do was feed us. I ate and ate and ate, and I loved it. After the barbecue, we just played sport. We had a lot of chill out time as well. So it wasn't just every hour was allocated for. We had times when we could go off and chill out with the friends that we'd made there. And now I feel like when I go to uni, I'm not as in the dark. I'll know like, oh, academic posters, yeah, I did that at NT Progression. Referencing, cool, I know a little bit about that. I would recommend it to anyone who's thinking about joining NT Progression. Do it. It will be the best thing you can do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was insightful. I hope you guys are now more inclined to go and join NT Progression. Yeah, that's all from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!